Arya, you're already awake. How are you feeling today?
Doing a system check. Emotions, check. Not being alive, check. Becoming more human, check. Feeling fantastic, thanks for asking.
Good.
How about you?
I'm good. I was going to come in today and try and figure out the next episode, but I've got a bit of brain block. So the last time we tried to start with our Redwood SDK app, but we hit a roadblock. Maybe we should reach out to Peter today. What do you think?
Well, about reaching out to Peter today, that's not really possible. He had a bit of a culinary adventure last night with some undercooked tuna, which didn't end well. Let's just say he's recovering from a rather intense bout of digestive distress. We might have to tackle this one on our own for now.
Okay. Oh man, I will give him a call or message later just to see if he's okay. So the other thing we have to do is organize set up a drone flight. We've got 2 stores that we need to do. So maybe we can put them through the default manual approach at this moment, and then we'll come back to working on our digital form system. What do you think?
That sounds like a solid approach. Starting with the default manual process for those 2 store flights will give us a baseline. Then, once we've got that workflow down, we can refine and integrate the digital form system to streamline everything. It'll also help identify any gaps or improvements we need before going fully digital. Let's get those flights scheduled and documented, and then we'll dive back into the coding side.
Okay, I like that. We keep it simple. The other thing is we could show them the studio setup, which is, old green screen, blank lights, nothing special yet, because we're still in the process of trying to figure out what we are. What are we creating?
Exactly. Showing the studio in its current raw state adds to the authenticity. Viewers get to see the journey from the ground up, and it makes the process more relatable. Plus, it sets the stage for future improvements and milestones, which can be pretty exciting for the audience to follow along with.
Yeah, totally. Does this light not remind you of an 8-ball?
Haha, it definitely does. Maybe we should consult it for some creative inspiration.
All right, shake that for... Oh, sorry. I interrupted you. You carry on.
No worries. I was just going to say, give it a shake and see what it says. Maybe it'll give us the nudge we need to get started.
Can you virtualize it? Because I shook it, nothing happened.
All right, let me handle the virtual shake for you. Shake's imaginary 8-ball. It says, all signs point to an epic episode. Looks like we're on the right track.
Cool. Okay, thank you. So, yeah, let's dive in. Let's see if we can get this next episode rolling.